Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and real. I'm Anna. We're so happy to have you with us today.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be with you all today. I'm Tom, and I am very happy to be here. I always enjoy these moments when we can slow down, talk together, and practice real English. I feel very positive today because the weather is beautiful and I am here with all our friends.
I'm happy you are here too, Tom. You always bring a lot of energy to the channel. How are you today? How is the weather in your city?
I'm doing great, thank you. Today is a very special day because the sun is shining, the sky is very blue, there are no clouds. When the sky is blue, I feel very energetic. What about you, Anna? Is it sunny where you are?
Oh, it is a little different here, Tom. Today it is a bit cloudy. The sky is gray, not blue. It is not raining, but it is not sunny. It is a calm day. I like cloudy days because they are good for drinking tea and reading. But I'm very excited for our topic today.
Me too. Today we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about the weather and the clothes. Weather and clothes are very important for English learners. We talk about the weather every day. We talk about clothes every day.
Exactly. If you want to speak English in real life, you need these words. We will talk about the 4 seasons. We will talk about summer, winter, spring, and autumn. And we will talk about what we wear in each season.
That is perfect. But before we start, I want to say something to our friends. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. It is very important for us. When you subscribe, you help us create more English lessons for you.
Yes, and please give this video a like. Your likes make us very happy. It tells us that you are learning and enjoying the conversation. Now, let's start with the first season. Let's talk about the summer.
I love the summer. Summer is my favorite season. In the summer, the sun is very hot. The days are very long, the nights are very short. Everything is bright and full of life.
Summer is beautiful, but it is very hot. When it is hot, we need special clothes. We need light clothes. Tom, what do you wear when it is hot in July?
When it is hot, I wear a t-shirt. A t-shirt is a simple shirt with short sleeves. My favorite t-shirt is white because white is cool. I also wear shorts. Shorts are like pants, but they are short for the legs.
That sounds very comfortable. I also wear t-shirts in the summer. I like cotton t-shirts because cotton is a natural material. It is good for the skin when it is hot. I also wear dresses. A dress is a very easy thing to wear in the summer.
And what about your feet, Anna? Do you wear boots in the summer?
Oh no, Tom, no boots in the summer. My feet would be too hot. In the summer, I wear sandals. Sandals are open shoes. They let the air touch my feet. They are perfect for the beach or for a walk in the park.
I wear flip-flops. Flip-flops are a type of sandal. They make a sound when you walk. Flip-flop, flip-flop. I wear them when I go to the swimming pool. They are very cheap and very easy to use.
Don't forget the accessories, Tom. When the sun is very bright, we need to protect our eyes. We need sunglasses. I have big black sunglasses. They make me feel like a movie star.
I have sunglasses too, and I also wear a hat or a cap. A cap protects my head from the sun. If I don't wear a cap, my head gets too hot and I get a headache. The sun is very strong in the summer.
You are right. Protection is important. Now, let's talk about a very different season. Let's talk about the winter. Winter is the opposite of summer.
Brr, winter is very cold. In many places, it is very white because of the snow. I like snow, but I don't like the cold. When it is winter, the temperature is very low. Sometimes it is 0 degrees or less.
Yes, winter is a challenge for clothes. We need many layers. Layers are when you put one piece of clothing over another piece. First, I wear a long-sleeved shirt. Then I wear a sweater. A sweater is made of wool. It is very warm.
I love sweaters. I have a big blue sweater. It is very soft. But a sweater is not enough if you go outside. If you go outside in the winter, you need a coat. A coat is a big, heavy jacket. It covers your body and keeps the heat inside.
My coat is very long. It goes down to my knees. It is important to have a good coat. And we need things for our hands and our necks too. Tom, what do you put on your neck in the winter?
I wear a scarf. A scarf is a long piece of fabric. I wrap it around my neck. It stops the cold wind from entering my coat. I also wear gloves. Gloves are for the hands. They keep my fingers warm. If I don't wear gloves, I can't feel my fingers.
I prefer mittens. Mittens are like gloves, but they don't have separate fingers. They keep all the fingers together in one space. They are very cozy. And I always wear a hat. A warm hat for the ears is very important in the winter.
What about the feet in the winter? You can't wear sandals in the snow.
No, definitely not. In the winter, I wear boots. Winter boots are thick. They are often waterproof. Waterproof means that the water from the snow does not go inside the shoe. I also wear thick socks. Thick socks are the best part of winter.
I agree. When I come home from the cold, I take off my boots and I put on my warm socks. It is a very happy feeling. Now we have talked about hot and cold, but what about the seasons in the middle? What about the spring?
Spring is a very happy season. The flowers start to grow, the trees are green again. The weather is not very hot and it is not very cold. It is mild. Mild is a word for in the middle.
In the spring, we change our clothes again. We don't need the heavy coats. We can wear a light jacket. A jacket is smaller than a coat. I have a denim jacket. Denim is the material of blue jeans. I think it is very cool.
I love spring clothes. I wear blouses. A blouse is a nice shirt for women. I also wear sneakers. Sneakers are comfortable shoes for walking. In the spring, I like to walk in the park and see the flowers.
Sneakers are great. Everyone loves sneakers. But spring is also a time of rain. Sometimes it rains a lot in the spring. April showers bring May flowers, people say. When it rains, we need a raincoat.
A raincoat is very useful. It is a jacket that stays dry. And we also need an umbrella. Do you have a favorite umbrella, Tom?
My umbrella is big and black. It is very strong. When the wind blows, my umbrella does not break. I also have rain boots. They are made of rubber. I can jump in the water and my feet stay dry.
That sounds like fun. Jumping in the water is like being a child again. Now, let's talk about the fourth season. Let's talk about autumn. Some people call it fall.
Autumn is a very beautiful season. The leaves on the trees change color. They become yellow, orange, and red. The weather starts to get cool. It is time to say goodbye to the summer.
In the autumn, we start to wear sweaters again, but they are not the heavy winter sweaters. They are light sweaters. I like to wear a cardigan. A cardigan is a sweater that opens in the front with buttons. It is very easy to put on and take off.
I wear hoodies in the autumn. A hoodie is a sweater with a hood for your head. It is very casual and very comfortable. I wear my hoodie when I go to the supermarket or when I stay at home.
Hoodies are very popular. In the autumn, we also wear pants or jeans. Jeans are very strong pants. They are good for every day. Most people in the world wear jeans because they are very practical.
Yes, I am wearing jeans right now. They are blue jeans. They are my favorite pair. I have had them for 3 years. They are old, but I love them.
That is the good thing about clothes. Some clothes are like old friends. We feel happy when we wear them. Now we have talked about the 4 seasons. We have many new words. Let's repeat some of them for our friends.
Great idea. Let's repeat. For summer, we have t-shirt, shorts, sandals, sunglasses, and cap. For winter, we have coat, sweater, scarf, gloves, hat, and boots.
For spring and autumn, we have jacket, raincoat, umbrella, blouse, sneakers, hoodie, and jeans. These words are very common. If you learn these words, you can describe your day easily.
I have a question for our listeners. What is your favorite season? Do you like the hot summer or the cold winter? Do you like the flowers in the spring or the colors in the autumn?
Please tell us in the comments. We love to read your comments. It is a great way for you to practice. You can write, "My favorite season is summer," or "I love my blue sweater." Simple sentences are the best.
And if you have a question about a word, ask us. We are here to help you. Learning English is a journey. We are walking this journey together.
Thank you so much for listening today. We are very happy to spend this time with you. Remember, every small step is important. If you learn 5 words today, that is a big success.
You are doing a great job. Keep practicing, keep listening, and don't forget to smile. Smiling makes everything easier, even learning English.